This is Intervale Avenue. Transfer to the DX6. Select the service.
Pepper and her friends are at play. Mr. Bull is checking the school roof.
Moo! Who put this roof on for you?
You did, Mr. Bull.
Lovely job. It will last you a lifetime.
But it is leaking water. Look, it is going drippity drip.
This is Wayfield Bound 2 train. The next stop is Simpson Street. Stay through the corridors, please.
We can do a school to get the money. Good idea. Who would run it? We can. Yes, the children can go. I can do the box painting. I can do the microphone. We can have the mummies and daddies place. And also our friends. Yes, we will have
It is the day of the
This
children's
is
fete.
Simpson Street. This is the Simpson Station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Emily Elephant is in charge of the bric-a-brac store.
Roller, all sorts of bits and bobs. What a lot of bric-a-brac, Emily. You will be busy all day selling it.
Here is Mr. Fox. This all looks very interesting.
Balloons! Lovely balloons! Would you like a balloon, Madame Gazelle? May I have a red one? How much is it? How much have you got? Oh, of course. We are raising money for the school roof. Look, Madame Gazelle, I've got rid of everything. Wonderful, Emily. How much money have you raised? Money? Did you not get some money for the bits and bobs? I didn't need to. Mr. Fox took it away for nothing. Get your face painted here.
Susie Sheep is in charge of the face painting store.
Hello, Susie. Can I be a mountain leopard, please? No, I can only do fruit. Okay. Can I be a plum? There.
Pepper is in charge of the lucky dip.
Roll up for your lucky dip.
Moo! Hello, Pepper.
Hello, Mr. Bull. You've got a green face.
I'm an apple.
Ooh, would you like to try
This
the
is
lucky
the Wayfield Bound 2 train. The next stop is Freeman Street. Stay through the corridors, please.
Mr. Bull has won a dolly.
Can I have a ball?
Mrs. Cat has won a digger.
You want to swap?
No,
Thank you.
Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cat like their lucky dip prizes.
Roll up.
Let's go to the street.
Freddie Fox is in charge of the mummies and daddies.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.